X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Are you having nightmares about that song yet? Are ya? Are ya? Ha ha ha. If I'm not, I'm going to have to try harder. All right, here we go. There's the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yes, it is the quadratic formula. Remember, yesterday we worked on the green part, and the green part was the discriminant. It told us how many zeros there were, right? This tells us how many x-intercepts. Tells us how many x-intercepts. How many times the parabola will cross the x-axis. Today we're going to be focusing on the red part of it right here. The red part of it is only half complete. It doesn't tell us, it tells us something called the vertex, but it doesn't tell us the whole vertex. It only tells us the x-coordinate of the vertex. Now you might be asking, what is a vertex? Well, the vertex is either the highest or the lowest point of the parabola. Did you catch that? The vertex is either the highest or the lowest point of the parabola. Okay, it's either the top or bottom of the hill or the valley or the U, or however you describe it. Okay, so once again, the vertex is the highest or lowest point of the parabola. Hopefully you've written that definition down. Now, to find the vertex, there's two steps to it. The first step is to find the x-coordinate. Who'd have thunk of that? And then the second part is to find the y-coordinate. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. What's going on here? Oh dear, did I lose my equations? I will cry if I did. Woo, they're still there. Thank you. All right, I don't know why I'm thinking you. You had nothing to do with it. Never mind. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, we're not working. I'm trying to move you down because I need more room. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, we're going to start off, like we do the other ones, with Michael Jackson and Jackson 5. A, B, C. Easy as 1, negative 4, 5. All right. And then to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, we're only going to use the first part of the quadratic formula. We're going to do the negative of b over 2a. And the negative of b is going to be 4, and 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. That is only the x-coordinate of the vertex. How do you suppose I find the y-coordinate of the vertex? Well, I'm going to make a table, silly goose. All right, I'm going to put 2 in for x, plug 2 into the equation, solve for y. So let's do that. So I'm going to substitute in. I've got y equals, and it's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 5. Now, very important to follow the order of operations here. 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 plus 5, and I believe that's going to end up being a positive 1. And so therefore, my vertex, my highest or lowest point of this parabola, will occur at the point 2, 1. All right, there we go. That's how easy it is to find the vertex. Now, I didn't go looking for the zeros, but had I found the zeros and the vertex, I could graph my parabola. We'll do that next time. We'll put it all together. All right, let's try it again. Number 2, let's go A, B, C. Easy as 1, negative 6, 6. And then we'll do x equals the negative of b over 2a. The negative of b will be 6, because b is negative 6. That negative is important. I need the negative of it. It's positive 6. And that's over 2a. And that'll equal 3. So to find the y-coordinate of the vertex, I'm going to plug 3 in for x. So I'm going to go y equals 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 6. If you're not sure what I'm doing, I'm just putting 3 in here and also in here. Okay, so now I have to do the exponent, right? 3 squared is 9. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 6. And I think that's going to end up being a negative 3. So y is going to equal negative 3. So the vertex of this quadratic equation will end up being the point 3, negative 3. Okay, it's not a slope. Don't write it as a fraction. It's a vertex. It's a location in space. All right, let's try 2 more here. 2 more. All right, A, B, C Easy as 6, negative 13, negative 15. All right, so x is going to equal, finding the vertex, we take the negative of b as 13. B won't always be negative. I just took these problems out of a book. All right, and then 2a. So I'm going to get 13 twelfths. All right, or 1 and 1/12. So I'm going to go 6 times 13 twelfths squared minus 13 times 13 twelfths minus 15. If you want, you can go to your calculator to help you with this. Graphing calculator, come to my rescue. Sorry. All right, here we go. So let's go with 6, quantity, 13. Mr. Lawrence, how you put a fraction in on a calculator? Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. A fraction bar is division, right? You know this. Minus 13, quantity, 13 twelfths. Close that quantity, and we'll take away 15. And when we do all that, we are going to get, ooh, a very strange answer, but it's okay. We're going to round that to the nearest hundredths place, so we're going to get that y equals negative 22 and 400ths. So the vertex of this one, and I'm going to go mixed number on this, it's going to be 1 and 1/12, and then negative 22 and 400ths. There you go. Yeah, they don't have to cross at a pretty little intersection. No way, man. Life's not that easy. All right, so number 4. Let's go A, B, C. Okay, A is 4, B is negative 12, C is 3. So to find the vertex, I take the negative of b, which is 12, and I divide by 2a. So that'll be 12/8, which will be 3/2, which is 1/2. So now to find y, that's the x-coordinate of the vertex. There's a second part. Some of you aren't listening to me. All right, so I'm going to take y, and I'm going to go 4 times 3/2 squared minus 12 times 3/2. I'm not going to use a calculator on this one. These numbers are friendly enough. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. All right, so it's going to be 4/1 times 9/4, right? 3/9 squared. And this is going to be 12/1 times 3/2 plus 3. And then one of my favorite female superheroes is going to show up, Wonder Woman. And she's going to cancel those 4's for me. And I'm going to have a 9 right there. And then here, Wonder Woman is going to turn that into a 6. And negative 6 times 3 is going to be negative 18. And then there's going to be a plus 3. See, I didn't need no stinking calculator. All right, I'm going to get 12, so it's going to be negative 6. So the vertex of this is going to occur at 1.5, negative 6. All right, I recommend watching this again because you know what? There is a video quiz, and you need to find the vertex of these two quadratic equations. All right, you can, if you want a date on it, put on March 23rd, because that's when you're going to hand it in, Monday. All right, so March 23rd will be the date of the video quiz, and Mr. Lawrence will say, have a good weekend, everybody.